at Texas Motor Works in Dallas. We're gonna be working on phase 1 of our Ford Bronco build. So Texas Motor Works focuses on Ford Raptors and now Ford Broncos. So if you're looking to get yours built out to be an off-road machine, they're your guys. What we're gonna be doing today is wheels and tires, and then we'll start out with some perch collars, see how that works. Eventually we'll be upgrading all the suspension and everything else, but for now we'll start out with that. So I want to take you inside. I'll let you meet the founder, and then also we'll get a look behind the scenes on the shop and just see what they're up to. So, come on. What's up, everyone? I'm Ben. I'm out here with Jason Cook of Texas Motor Works here in Dallas, and we are going to be mounting my tires and wheels today. So we're really excited about these. Got 1552 analog HDs in asphalt black for the wheels, and then Toyo Open Country 37-inch mud frames. So really pumped about these. Texas Motor Works is awesome for wanting to help out with this. I want to let you talk about what you do and kind of what Texas Motor Works is all about.
Sure. So what's up, guys? I'm Jason Cook. So in addition to driving the Line X Spec trophy truck at Best in the Desert, we also own Texas Motor Works based in Dallas, Texas here. It's a 15,000 square foot shop that we specialize in the performance off-road market. To date, we've been specializing in Ford Raptors, Ford Super Duties, and now, with the help of Ben, the Ford Bronco. So we hooked up on Instagram and started talking and chatting about goals and visions and everything that he wanted to accomplish. And so when he said he wanted to run these Toyo 37s, okay, we got to level the Bronco, all 4 corners, and you can do that with either a perch collar, a leveling kit, or a coilover replacement if you don't really want to go with the lift kit. So for today, we're going with the RPG kit, the perch collar upgrade, and yeah, we should be able to fit these in nicely. So let's go do it.
So how does the perch collar work?
So pretty much the bottom collar that the spring sits on is sitting on a snap ring right now, and the RPG collar pretty much takes it from sitting up here to putting the snap ring on here and raising the rear spring that much.
So we just got the tires and wheels swapped out, coming from the stock Sasquatch package. The new tires, we have 37-inch Toyo Open Country MTs, and then we have the 1552 analog HDs. And so Jason, I want you to talk about what exactly we did and kind of what the differences are in the spec.
Sure. So here, hold up. Here, come here. Come here. So this is the Toyo MT 37 1250 17 on the 1552 wheels. We went from a plus 30 millimeter offset to a 0 offset, so that pokes the tire out about 1 3/16 inches. The 37-inch tire actually measures about 36.5 when it's squished with the vehicle weight, so that'll give you about 1 inch lift overall. The RPG perch collars give you 2 1/4 inches on the front, 1 1/4 in the rear, so all in all, the front raised about 3-ish inches and the rear raised about 2-ish inches. And of course, your vehicle at home will probably settle a little bit, depends on how you drive it, depends on if you actually drive it at all, because right now this is a little bit high from being on the lift. So that's all the numbers. There's 0 rubbing, 0 trimming. We're good to go on that. So Ben, it's all yours to take home until we figure out what we're doing next.
Exactly. So this is just really part 1 of phase 1. We've got a lot of other stuff planned, especially with suspension, upper control arms, all that. We'll have bumpers and lights and all the good stuff, fenders, hood, you name it. So we'll be back at TMX here in a couple weeks, maybe in a month, and we'll be doing the next part, so stay tuned for that.
Santa Claus is coming.
Yeah.